The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Yeah. Never go in the wrong congregation. Why? Dancehall skilla and pagan. So skilla will never go where the pagans go. Blessed up, this is Warrior King, you know. Represent for Dancehall skilla. Keep it locked, keep it tuned. Rastafari, this is Warrior King. Dancehall skilla. Rastafari, come on.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I want to let you know about some things that are being talked about on social media, and I also have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I get into any of the details or any of those topics, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is about a confrontation between police and civilians that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't know when the video will be recorded. Allegedly, it is said that the police went to a premises somewhere within the country of Jamaica and threatened to arrest at least one person. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You can tell me who you think was wrong. Is it the police or the civilians? Let me know what you think, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Please video this. I'm in my premises on 11 p.m. and he's asking me for identification and saying he's going to lock me up. No.
Hey. That's right. Yes, disrespect. That's right. Yes, disrespect. Do not touch. Do not touch.
Don't do
that. Don't do that. If you're there work professional.
11 p.m. He said he can have it for 50 people. 11 p.m. and I'm having it in here. No.
Please come with us.
Don't
you want to eat here, I do it at your workplace.
So you're supposed to stop and call everybody.
Miss Henry,
if you
want to eat here at your workplace. No. Before everything. No, bossy. Before you go, what's your name? What's your name?
Badge
and your badge number.
Don't touch him.
Don't touch him closer. Never you touch him close. What's your name?
Come, go back. Just back take
No, what's your name?
What's your name and your badge?
You don't provide a name nothing for the public. And you want to come talk? If you're doing work, you're doing work professional, brother.
So, what is your name?
Do your work professional.
Thank you.
Instant, Senator. Instant.
Put it on.
Well, viewers and subscribers, it seems as if those civilians are in the right. It seems so. I'm not saying they are in the right, but it seems so. You notice that they said certain things and the police did not respond to certain things that they said. So it seems so. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who, in my point of view, put some lyrics together. And the lyrics that she put together, I think it is poetry. You see? And the most words used in all of the lyrics that she put together in this video that I'm about to present to you are, I want a man. Not me, no. She says so. You see? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Tell me if you think this is poetry or what. I think it is poetry, but you can tell me what you think. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
I want a man. I want a man to walk with me from the supermarket to my car. I want a man to walk with me from my shopping to a taxi. I want a man to stay with me when I'm on a public ride. And I want a man to walk with me from my gate even to my bedside. You see, I want a man because I am no paranoid. I want a man because my storehouse of feeling safe and secure are now null and void. I want a man because my mind is now embroiled in the battle of staying alive or being buried in the soil. I want a man who looks dangerous to walk with me. I want a man so that when predators see him, they will say, that one is not for me. I want a man who will see what I don't see. Because you see, I want a man to protect me.
Yeah, I think that is poetry, viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah, I think that is poetry. See? I think so. You can let me know what you think, alright? Now, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show persons who are said to be members of the United States of America Army. Now, this video shows a female who is said to be a Jamaican female who is a member of the United States of America Army. See? In this video, the Jamaican female said some harsh languages to at least one person. And in my point of view, she could be serious and she could be joking as well. Anyways, the video has been talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, see? And honorary viewers and subscribers, I feel proud to know that there are Jamaicans within the United States of America Army. Yeah, I feel proud to know that. You see what I say? See? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. You can tell me if you think the video shows a joking situation or what, alright? Let me know what you think, alright? Alright, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
We tell us to put the bag in at the front, make it easy. Everybody gets space on our back. Gonna sit on the fucking ass.
Listen, I can walk. It's not a problem for me.
They walk your mother ass. Nobody give a fuck. Okay.
So you walk. Stop being lazy. It's right there.
Shut your fucking face.
You the one that's bad. I'm fine.
Move your bumper. Hey boy, me tell about your bumper.
You so bad for no reason.
Yeah, because of your fucking ass. Go find the ass under the back and put the bag in there.
Jano, I feel good to know that there are Jamaicans within the United States of America Army, you know? It makes me feel proud to know that, you see? Jamaicans are not only in the United States of America Army, you know? You have Jamaicans who are members of security forces in different countries out there worldwide, now viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you see? Hey, I want to say big up and respect to Kartel TV. Yeah, Kartel. Yeah, big up yourself, Kartel TV, you know? Yeah, Kartel send me a picture that shows a watch, and it's like Kartel I say, oh, this is how I am watching Dancehall Skilla video. You see it? Yeah, man, so big up Kartel TV every time. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man who sells peanuts. You see it? Now, this man's strategy of selling peanuts is being talked about on social media. In my point of view, this man full of lyrics and him talk fast. You see? Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. I want you to tell me if you think this man have lyrics, and you can tell me if him really talk that fast or too fast. You see me I say? Alright, tell me what you think about this video. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe.
Yeah, man, me there with some peanut. I sell you know, peanut then cheap, you know, discount price for the peanut. Yeah, man, me have some cheap peanut, discount price. So the more you buy, the less you pay. 1 for 56 for 300. Me have a little guarantee. If you buy and you eat it and your belly don't feel good and your mind to the side peanut cost. When you don't eat it, you can bring it back and you get back your money. You don't have to worry if you have pressure sugar coming normally. But them before me pay and come a road that be reach them out. Me tell them explain to them good so they can understand. Amen. So me have that with the church and that without the church and that with the salt and that without the salt and that with the sugar and that without the sugar. Signify myself diabetic and diabetic. I never raise them out. Budget feed every minute. Me just drop beside a little bit of a one and it's man. Me have to give you no complaint that me have to make a little profit. If you no make a business mash up, if you mash up, then say me rate me no one that you have. So me take time out to catch up the business, amen? Praise his name.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I think so that him full of lyrics and him fast too. Yeah, that me think. So that's it. Alright, you can let me know what you think about the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, before I wrap up this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to let you know about some information that I got about Vybz Kartel. You see? Yeah, Vybz Kartel. The musician, Vybz Kartel. Now, I got informations that Vybz Kartel lawyer said that Vybz Kartel might be a free man by the year 2022. That would be the year next year. Now, I am going to explain to you in my words, according to how I understand some things that I heard in a news report from Fox, and also some things that I read in news articles about this whole situation that involves Vybz Kartel. See? So I got the understanding that Vybz Kartel lawyer said that the cellular phone that contains evidence that had been brought in front of the court and used against Vybz Kartel, that cellular phone had been tampered with. It is said that Vybz Kartel's lawyer said that the evaluation came from a court-authorized British digital expert. My people, think about it. if that cellular phone had been tampered with, viewers and subscribers. Think about it. It is said that Vybz Kartel's lawyer who said these things goes by the name of Isaac Buchanan. Viewers and subscribers, I am going to keep a watch on this situation and see how it turn out. You see it? Yeah, you don't know me Dancehall skilla, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? Anyways, I have some go left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla.